Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to debug CORS Preflight requests in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If you're working with APEs or web apps and you see errors like CORS policy blocked or requests failing before reaching the server, the issue is often related to preflight requests. A CORS preflight request is an automatic options request the browser sends before the actual request. It checks whether the server allows cross-origin communication. Let's debug it. First, open Google Chrome and go to the web page where the error is happening. Now, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect to open Chrome DevTools. At the top of DevTools, click on the Network tab. Make sure the red recording button is on, then refresh the page. You'll now see all network requests loading in real time. Look for a request with the method options. This is the preflight request. Click on that options request. On the right panel, go to the headers section. Under request headers, check these fields: origin, access control request method, and access control request headers. These tell the server what the browser is trying to do. Next, scroll to response headers. Here's where the problem usually is. The server must respond with access control allow origin, access control allow methods, access control allow headers. If these headers are missing or incorrect, Chrome blocks the actual request. For example, if access control allow origin doesn't match your site's domain, the request will fail. Also check the status code. If the options request returns anything other than 200 OK or 204, it's likely misconfigured on the server. Now switch to the Console tab in DevTools. Chrome often shows a detailed CORS error message explaining what header is missing. Remember, CORS errors cannot be fixed only from the browser side. The server must be configured to allow the request. If you're the developer, update your server settings to include proper CORS headers. If not, contact the API provider. For temporary local testing, you can use a Chrome extension that disables CORS, but this should never be used in production, and that's how you debug Google Chrome CORS preflight requests, step by step, in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome and web development tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.